Welcome back, everybody. Glad to see you. Let us take a look at this question. So the question reads, it says, kitchen garden has an area A, which is 10 minus 3 root 5, that's square meters. The length of the garden is 5 minus 2 root 5 meters. Determine the value of A. If the width of the garden is in the form A plus root 5, where A is a real number. Basically, we want to start off with, what do we know about the area of a rectangle? The area of the rectangle, which is 10 minus 3 root 5, is given by the length, which is 5 minus 2 root 5, times the width, which is A plus root of 5. So area is equal to length times width. I want to produce the width in the form A plus the square root of 5. Therefore, it means I could divide the area by the length. If I divide the area by the length, then I will definitely get the form for the width. Let us take a look at it. Since the area is given, so we could say then that if we take 10 minus 3 square root 5, and if we divide it by 5 minus 2 square root 5, if we divide this, we will get the width, and then we could make the comparison. But what we do notice that we got here is we have a radical in our denominator. We're going to rationalize this denominator, but we're going to have to multiply by the conjugate. The conjugate is to have the same thing, except we're going to change the sign. For example, we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 5 plus 2 square root 5. 5 plus 2 square root 5. This is the conjugate of the denominator there. Now, at the numerator, all we're going to do is we're going to multiply these terms. So we could distribute ordinarily. So we're going to have 10 times 5, that's going to give us 50. Then 10 times 2 root 5 is going to give me plus 20, the square root of 5. Then negative 3 root 5 times 5 is going to give me negative 15 square root 5. Then negative 3 root 5 times positive 2 root 5. I'm going to get a negative 6. But when we have the root 5 times the root 5, that's going to give us 5 right here. And this is going to work itself out to give us like 30 right there. Right, so we could put 30 here as a negative 30 after that. All of this is actually over the denominator, which is in the form of the difference of 2 square. Like if you look, remember, if I see A minus B and it's being multiplied by A plus B, then I could just employ the difference of 2 square. There, the middle term will go, right? So all I gotta do is I gotta square and square. So let us work on that part. So if I square 5 times 5, or 5 times 5 will give me 25 here. All right. And then if I square negative 2 square root 5 times positive 2 square root 5, I'm gonna get negative 4 times 5, because the negative 2 times the negative 2 will give me negative 4. Root 5 times root 5 will give me 5. And this becomes actually 20 right here. So I could cancel this. So this becomes negative 20 right here. Now let's clean this up a little bit. At my numerator, I'm going to have 50 minus 30. So that's going to give me 20. If I have a 20 root 5 minus 15 root 5, then I'm left with positive 5 root of 5. And this is now being divided by 25 minus 20. That's 5. We're almost there. At this stage, I'm able to divide the 20 by 5. Also, I can divide 5 root 5 by 5. When 20 is divided into 5, I'm going to get 4. And you can see here, 5 cancel 5, leaving plus root 5. Now, if I should take the form that they had, the width should be in the form of a plus square root of 5. And this that we found is 4 plus square root 5. You could see square root 5 on both sides is the same. So if I should just take these out because they are the same, you could see that a is equal to 4. We were asked to find the value of a. A is equal to 4. Thank you. And subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and see you next time where we will be looking at some more videos. Bye-bye.